Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will be talking about the best 3D printers under $900. This optimistic 3D printer will help you create anything from tiny trinkets to large-scale projects. This 3D printer is for users with a wide range of needs, from novice designers to professional enthusiasts. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers under $900. To help you out, we've put together a list of the best 3D printers under $900. Each 3D printer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to get into 3D printing. The output of these 3D printers is impressive, and they make quick work of any projects you might have. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Creality Large 3D Printer. The Creality 3D printer is an optimistic and enthusiastic choice for anyone seeking the best 3D printer under $900. Prepare to unleash your imagination and dive headfirst into the exhilarating world of 3D printing with the all-new design of the CR-10 Smart Pro. With its impressive 300 by 300 by 400 mm build volume, this printer offers ample space to bring your wildest creations to life. But it doesn't stop there. The CR-10 Smart Pro is packed with exciting enhancements like an HD camera and LED light, providing real-time monitoring of your prints from anywhere. Performance is vital, and this printer delivers. Equipped with brass nozzles capable of handling temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius and all-metal dual-geared direct extruders, it ensures precise extrusion and impeccable printing accuracy. Say goodbye to clogs and embrace a broader range of materials, allowing you to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible. User-friendly features make the CR-10 Smart Pro accessible to professionals and beginners alike. Whether you prefer the convenience of CR Touch auto bed leveling or the hands-on experience of manual bed leveling, this printer caters to your needs. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now.